March the 13th, 2020. Guys, you know that we watch a lot on this channel, and you're looking at the National Data Buoy Center. It's one of the links on our website at bpearthwatch.com. Across the southern hemisphere, we suddenly have these buoys going off. Now, there's a few quakes along this area. The strongest is a 5. We'll take a quick look at that. But they're not reporting any major quakes at all. Again, 5.2 I think is the strongest on the map at this time. But there's some pretty radical things going on. If it's not a quake, what kind of shift are we going through? And I have seen 1 or 2 buoys go off in the past 10 years that were accidental, but we've got 1, 2 here to the west side of Australia, 2 to the east, 2 to the southeast, and we've got 1 over on the coast of Africa. Let's check this out. This is the one that really amazes me, and I don't know what's going on. I'm not claiming to know what's going on. I'm reporting what I see. You click on this. This is station number 3204, and let me zoom it up for the video. Now, this is called station 32401, just off the west coast of South America. Your average water height here is it's looking at around 4,800 meters deep. Now, today it dropped, and this green line, and the green line indicates a 1-minute drop. The blue line indicates its time span in 15 minutes. A red line, you see this dot right there, 15 seconds. But in 1 minute, it dropped more than the depth of the ocean. In other words, it bottomed out. You say you're 5,800 meters or 4,800 meters. That line is 5,000 meters, and then it takes a while before it comes back up. And there's some rapid changes because of this red dot. Again, I don't know what is going on here. Let me back this back out. But either we have a major glitch going on that's across the southern hemisphere, or we have problems that we don't know about. We'll look at the earthquake map, and it's not showing anything strong, but it would take either a massive computer error with all these buoys, and at this wide of a pattern, that's highly unusual, or we've had a major shift somewhere. I don't know if that has anything to do with the rest of the problems that we see, but again, let's look at the earthquakes. And bpearthwatch.com, the earthquake's at the top, but if you're watching these buoys come down, guys, let's see, they are right here, National Data Buoy Center, been there for years. But let's take a look at the earthquakes. And this is set for today, and you can see that maybe one of the stronger ones are here, which is a 5.1 southeast of Puerto or Mayuelas in Panama, down in South America and Chile, 5.2, and across this area. And remember, there was 2 west of Australia, 2 east, and 2 southeast, and then 1 over in this area where this 5.2 was, and that's the strongest signal that we're getting. Don't know what it is. It's a heads up, guys. Keep an eye on it. As soon as I get any updates or what may be happening, I'll report it ASAP. Heads up, be safe.